Understanding Content Warning, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to discuss a phrase you might encounter online or in media: content warning. Understanding this phrase can help you navigate English content more comfortably. Let's dive in. Content warning, often abbreviated as CW, is a term used to alert viewers or readers about potentially sensitive material in the content that follows. This warning is used to prepare the audience, giving them a chance to decide if they want to engage with the material. It's a sign of respect and sensitivity towards the audience's diverse experiences and comfort levels. Content warnings are important because they respect the viewer's choice and mental well-being. They are commonly used before discussing topics like violence, abuse, or mental health issues. By providing these warnings, creators acknowledge that some content might be distressing or triggering for certain individuals. It's about creating a safer space for everyone. Let's look at some examples. 1. Content warning, flashing lights. This warns viewers who might have photosensitive epilepsy. 2. Content warning, discussion of mental illness. Alerts viewers about discussions that might be sensitive for those with mental health concerns. 3. Content warning, graphic violence, used before showing or discussing scenes of violence. Noticing these warnings can help you decide if you're comfortable with the content. As an English learner, you might also create content. If so, consider using content warnings when necessary. It's simple. 1. Identify sensitive material. Think about your content. Does it include anything that might be upsetting or triggering? 2. Place the warning clearly. Put the warning at the beginning, where it's easily seen. 3. Be specific. Tell your audience what kind of sensitive content they can expect. Using content warnings shows you care about your audience's experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of content warning. Remember, using and respecting these warnings makes the online world a safer place for everyone. Stay tuned for more English language tips and insights. Happy learning!